Hi guys, and welcome to this video. In this video, I'll be talking about the top news for the day, and also I'll be telling you the tomorrow's stocks analysis and also the market analysis for tomorrow, and how you can calculate the support and resistance level and everything. So watch the video till the end to get all the information regarding this. So I'll be sharing a lot of valuable information in this video, and also please make sure this video is only educational purpose. And before you trade on the stocks or in this levels, you can do your own analysis as well. So this is based on my unique calculation method. Okay, and also I'll be telling you the top news for the day. So the first news is from PM Modi. So yes, today was an international yoga day. So yoga day event led by PM Modi creates a Guinness World Record for the most nationalities in a yoga session. So today, as it was a world's international yoga day, so PM Modi had an event in the US, and that event what they created has become an Guinness World Record for the day in a yoga session, with the most nationalities being attended that yoga function. And the next news is that the PM Modi meets Elon Musk, and Elon Musk says that he's interested in India to invest the Tesla. So he's interested in bringing Tesla to the India, and he's interested in investing in India as well. So these are the news from US. So now let's talk about the market analysis for tomorrow. So for tomorrow's Nifty 50 analysis, what you can do is, so once the market opens at 9:15, just see the Nifty 50 opening price and add opening price plus 85 to find out the maximum high what the Nifty 50 can go for tomorrow, and opening price minus 85 to find out what the Nifty 50 can go maximum low for tomorrow, that is the maximum support and the maximum resistance. And open price plus 42 to find out the key resistance level, and opening price minus 40 to find out the key support level for the Nifty 50. And now let's talk about the second news. Second news is that from Z pays rupees 7 lakhs to SEBI to settle the 2019 delayed disclosure case. Okay, so there was some case on Zeal. So Zeal Entertainment Enterprises has settled a charge of delayed disclosure of price sensitive information with the Security Exchange Board of India by paying 7 lakhs, the market regulation said on 21st. So whatever they had the issue, they just settled it with SEBI, and they have paid the fine of 7 lakh rupees, and now they have fixed their issue. Okay, so this is the news from Zeal Entertainment, that is Zeal stock. Okay, so now let's talk about the stocks which have moved the most today. The first stock is Shriram Finance. So this stock had moved almost 11.20% today. This stock opened at 1715 and made a high of 1793 by making the new 52 weeks high. Okay, so this stock was very volatile and made a new 52 weeks high today, and the low made by today is 1675. So this stock had a huge movement for the day. So these are the top three stocks which had a huge movement for the day. And the next stock is Blue Dart. So Blue Dart had a huge movement again, almost 485 points of movement by 7.20% up in the closing. So it opened at 6988.90 and made a high of 7260, and the low made was 6853. So this is a moment what you can see for the day by the Blue Dart. So even this stock had moved a lot. And the third stock is Thyrocare. So this stock moved like 3.52% up. So this stock opened around 516 and made a high of 536 and made a low of 515. So this was how the moment of Thyrocare is. So these are the top three stocks which moved with the highest momentum today. Okay, and the next news is from IIFL and 5 Paisa. So guys, as you guys know, SEBI has banned IIFL from onboarding the new clients as they were not able to manage their funds properly. So earlier IIFL and 5 Paisa had a merger deal. Now that merger deal has been called off. Okay, so this is the news what we have got. So IIFL and 5 Paisa are different now, so they're not merged. Okay, so they have been called off their merging contract, so they're not in the merger contract as of now. Okay, so now let's talk about the two stocks what I selected for tomorrow's intraday trading. And before that, if you guys want to learn how to make consistent profit in intraday trading, you can join my course today. In my course, I'll teach you the simple skill to make consistent profit, no indicators and no complicated things. It's a one-time payment. You get lifetime support with the everyday live market guidance. And the course prices are very less and reasonably priced. It's a amount what you spend for eating your favorite snack or a fast food in a month. And also you can just go inside my channel and watch everyday live trades what I've uploaded. So if you guys wish to earn consistent profit like this, you can message me now on the WhatsApp number displayed on the screen and get in touch with me and take the course and learn the concept of making consistent profit in intraday trading. And also once you join us, you get daily live market guidance as well. It's a one-time payment. You get lifetime support with daily live market guidance. So now let's talk about the two stocks what I selected for tomorrow's intraday trading. The first stock will be M&M. So for M&M, what you have to do is once the market opens at 9:15, just see the opening price plus 35 to find out the maximum high. That's the maximum resistance for tomorrow, and opening price minus 35 to find out the maximum low or the maximum support what the stock can take for tomorrow, and opening price plus 18 to find out the key resistance level, and opening price minus 18 to find out the key support level. Okay, so these are the calculation for M&M, and the next stock will be Adani Port. So this stock also was very good of a bullish movement today, so I have calculation for this stocks as well for tomorrow. So once the stock opens at 9:15, just see the opening price and add opening price plus 20 to find out the maximum high for tomorrow, and opening price minus 20 to find out the maximum low, that is the support level for tomorrow, and opening price plus 10 to find out the key resistance level, and opening price minus 10 to find out the key support level for Adani Ports. So these are the calculation for Adani Ports. Okay, so again I'm telling you guys, this video is only for education purpose. So before you trade on the stocks or the levels, you can do your own analysis as well. So these are the information for today, and these are the analysis for tomorrow. I hope you guys like this video. If you guys have liked this video, do give a like for this video, and also do subscribe to my channel for everyday daily live market updates. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. Have a good day. I'll see you in the next one very soon. And also you can go to the link in the description of this video and go inside my blog, and there you can see the earning proof and feedback from my clients what they have given us once they have joined and they're able to make constant profit. Okay, so even if you also wish to earn constant profit like this from today, you can join us now by messaging me on the WhatsApp number displayed on the screen. So guys, you can go inside my channel and watch all the videos. So I upload daily live trades about what trade I take and what trade I do. So you can see all the performance, and if you guys wish to earn consistent profit like this in intraday trading, you can join us. I'll be guiding you guys personally in the live market. The same trade what I take and the same levels what I do, you will get the same trades as well. Okay, so if you are interested to make consistent profit from today, you can join us now.